Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-02279 error in Oracle database 12c. So I have logged in as a common user called c#ascot in SQL presenter. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute the queries. Okay. Now I am going to create one sequence. Okay. I am going to create one sequence. Let me type the query. Let us see what is going to happen after executing this query. Okay, see here ORA-02279 duplicate or conflicting min value, no min value specifications. So what is the problem here is I have typed the min value 2 times. So that is the cause of this ORA-02279. So this error is similar to a typo error. Typo error means I have typed wrongly. Okay, so correct this error. So min value and max value. So now you can see that sequence created successfully. So this is the fix for ORA-02279 error.